Hi, welcome to Backyard Growing SA. In today's video, I'll be transplanting tomato seedlings. Let's get into it. Okay, so this was store-bought tomatoes. What I planted in here, let me just show you what I did. So all of that grew from that tomatoes. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to use about 10 of this to transplant over. I just get the pots filled up so I can transplant this over. So here's the soil. There's a mixture of compost and potting soil. Okay, so I'm going to plant them in this. I made this a few months ago. I have a video up. I'll link it up in the right hand corner for the video, and then let me just fill this up. I'll be back. Okay, so that's done. So I'm gonna just make a few holes in here now. You do want to make your soil a bit moist, because when you do make the hole, you don't want the soil to fall in it and close the hole again. Like that, can you see? We just get the tomatoes, but you can see I made a little mess here. Anyways, so yeah. So what you want to do is, when you transplant this, let me just show you. So as you can see here, the roots, this here over here on the tomatoes, these are roots. So when you bury this, you want to do it until the first leaves over here underneath, about a centimeter before you reach the first leaves. So before you transplant your tomatoes, make sure the true leaves come out first. These are the true leaves. These are the ones when you plant it, and then these are the first leaves. And then after that, you wait till the second pair come, and then you can transplant them. As you can see, these are the roots. So when I'm going to plant them now, I'm going to plant them about 1 centimeter below these first leaves over here. About that, like that. I'd like to say thank you to everyone that's watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. And you can follow me on Instagram. Everything will be linked down below. Thank you guys. Backyard out.